So they literally capture every single lash. I already do have really long lashes anyway, but this helped just to spread them out a little bit, because sometimes they get like way too curly. Like, there's too many mixes in me. It's just like my eyelashes don't know what they want to be. They're like, do we want to be black, or do we want to be Chinese, or do we want to be Indian? They don't really know. And this just literally helps to define my eyelashes. This is bomb, guys. Like, grab yourself this. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys so you can actually grab this straight away. I thought people were exaggerating, but this is actually the bomb diggity bomb. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Nars mascara review. So Nars have launched their new mascara, the Climax Mascara, and I'm here to tell you guys the tea on this mascara and if it's worth buying it. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Are you gonna subscribe, or are you just gonna pretend as if you didn't see that subscribe button? I know you saw that subscribe button, so can you just hit it right now so we can just get on with the video? Oh, okay, I'll jump the gun because you already subscribed. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, I've already prepped my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium Dark 2, and I actually use this concealer literally every day to conceal my eyebrows, and right now my eyebrows are growing at rapid speed, so they definitely need to be concealed. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. And I've learned doing my eyebrow first before any foundation is literally the tip for making sure my eyebrows are on fleek. Just going to quickly buff those eyebrows up, and usually I would use the Nars Radiant foundation, I think it's called, but right now I have literally tanned for the gods, so I'm just gonna use a Smashbox foundation. I'm not going to show you it because it's nothing to do with Nars, so let's just do the foundation now. Okay, I've done my foundation and my powder. It's time to go back in with the Nars Creamy Concealer just to lighten up my face a little bit. So I went away on a secret project which will be coming out very soon, guys, but I've got so dark from being away. You guys probably won't notice because I was still like posting videos, but I was away for 3 weeks and I've come back so dark. So it's just like, let's just lighten up some bits. And I've got this raggedy spot, like this spot is just got to go, sister. I don't know why you're destroying my life. But yeah, nothing matches at the moment, so I'm using a foundation that's actually 5 shades darker than me. I cannot use that Nars foundation because it's just too light for me. But I'm still using the creamy concealer, and I'm just gonna blend that all in, and I just hope that aids in lightening and brightening up my face a little bit. So because today's all about the Nars Climax Mascara, I don't want to do anything too deep on my eyes. I'm just gonna go in with the eye paint in Black Valley and just give myself a slick eyeliner because I really want to focus literally on the lashes rather than eyeshadow. By the way, this liquid liner is absolute bomb. It is so soft and creamy and easy to apply. Like, okay, I said that with all black all over my eye. 1 second. But the fact that it's so soft, you have to be really careful to not smudge like I just did now. I'm just going to line my eyes and let that set. I'm then going to follow up with the larger than life long wearing eyeliner, and that is just like in a kind of metallic dark brownish purplish shade. By the way, how cute is my like flicked eyeliner? I love it. And that just aids in giving my eyes a little bit of a metallic definition. Just want to give a little bit of highlight to my face, so of course I'm using the Nars St. Bart's highlighter. It's a little deeper shade and it is just absolutely amazing. Just gonna put some on my nose and then on my cheekbones. I wanna be highlighted, highlighted, highlighted in St. Bart's. Hey. And now guys, the moment of truth. This is the Nars Climax Mascara. and it comes in this lovely little case that Nars sent me. It's like a little gifting case. This is so cool, and people have been raving about this mascara, and I've been wanting to try it for so long. And I know, guys, that I'm late to the party, but I've been away, guys. I've been away all of October, so that is why this review is a little late. First of all, yes, we can, guys. This mascara is absolute bomb. Like, someone like me, I don't really wear lashes too much. I always just go for my natural lashes because they're quite long already, as you can see, and I'm just literally taking the brush and just lifting my lashes through the bristle. The brush itself is quite thick and the bristles are quite nice. Okay, I had to stop because I was just enjoying myself too much and it wasn't making sense. Okay, so what I think is the brush is quite thick, but it's got individual bristles on it, and the bristles, like, there's so many, they literally capture every single lash. I already do have really long lashes anyway, but this helped just to spread them out a little bit, because sometimes they get like way too curly. Like, there's too many mixes in me. It's just like my eyelashes don't know what they want to be. They're like, do we want to be black, or do we want to be Chinese, or do we want to be Indian? They don't really know. And this just literally helps define my eyelashes. This is bomb, guys. Like, grab yourself this. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys so you can actually grab this straight away. I thought people were exaggerating, but this is actually the bomb diggity bomb. I'm also gonna write a blog post and leave full information of why this is so amazing. But yeah, guys, what are you thinking? Do my eyelashes look long, or I'm just gassing myself? Like, I don't know, guys. You have to tell me. Like, am I gassing myself? Because I'm getting gassed with this mascara right now. I completely forgot to even put on some lipstick. So to finish this off, I'm using the Cruella Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. It's just a nice little kind of deep matte red, and it's like a crayon, so it's like super easy to apply. So yeah, like, guys, what do you think? Like, I thought people were just literally like gassing about this mascara, but it is like working wonders. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Like, for me, you know how I am when it comes to beauty. I always think sometimes, unless it's like Makeup Revolution, I just think the more luxury the product is, the better it is. And I just honestly feel like I've got lashes on. Like, my eyelashes have been stretched to the max with this mascara, and it's literally doing an amazing thing. I just want to know if some of you have actually tried this mascara as well. If you have, can you comment below and let me know how you got on as well, because I'm absolutely loving this mascara, to be honest. But that's all, guys. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.